Hi, Lucas. Hi, Charlie. Hey, it's your Titi Niki. Are you excited for a fun video? I'm excited. I thought today we'd make some really cool noises, like blah, 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 blah. And we make some really funny faces, like I hope you get to do it with me. It'll be so much fun. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to make funny noises, but what the funny noises are is the alphabet. So the alphabet is what we use to make up words, and we can sing the alphabet song. We want to sing it? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? That's the alphabet song. I hope you liked it. So let's start with some funny noises. Let's start with A. Can you make an A sound? A, 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 A. And you know what? The A can also sound like ah, ah, A, ah, ah, A, ah, A, ah, ah, A. You know what you can say with ah? Apple. Well, you love apples. They're delicious. Apple. And you can also make the noise a, 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 Letters make a lot of noises. Can be used in words too, like, would you assist me with the next one? Next sound we can make is A, just like the letter A. So A, and A. We can make an A sound, and what starts with A is an ape. An ape starts with the A sound. Check out this ape. Isn't that funny, ape? He's making a great face. Do you want to make a face like the ape with me? All right, he's got really big ears, so put your ears out and go, whoa. Oh, that's our ape face, ape face. Oh, are you doing it with me? Ape face. All right, let's learn a new sound. A new sound is B, 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 B. I bet you know this sound. Can you go B, 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 B? B, 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 B. B, B, B. B, B, B. B is the start of the word ball. You have a ball. Balls are fun to play with. And B, B, B. Your brother. You two are brothers. You can say brother with B, B, B. B, B. Another fun bubba word is bubba. Bear. Bear. Bears are animals. Look at this bear. This bear's making a hilarious face. You want to make this bear face with me? It's going, That's his bear face. And bears, they growl. So you can go, make a bear face. Good job, B for bear. Bear and ball and brother. Bear. That's my bear face. All right, let's learn another sound. Another sound is a C. C, and the C sound sounds like this. Ka, ka, ka. Can you say ka, 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 ka? C also could sound like this. S, s, ka, s, ka, s. And that's a C. C goes ka and s. K, and K, like a cat. Check out this cat. That's such a funny face. Can we make that cat funny face? You stick your tongue out and try to cross your eyes. I can't really cross my eyes, but try it. That's our cat face. And the C can also make a sound like the cicada. Check out this cicada. The cicada. Oh, it's got creepy red eyes. It's got wings. Let's make the cicada face. We got wings, so make your wings and make your eyes really big. Cicada face. Cicadas. So your C can make a K like cat noise or a S like cicada noise. Oh, that's fun. You know what other noise we can make with a C? It's a really cool noise. If you put an H right after the C, it changes the sound of the C completely. So now with CH, it's this sound. You ready? Cha, 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 cha. That's what happens when you put a C and an H together. And you know what word comes from that sound? Cha, cha. It's Charlie. Charlie's name starts with a CH. A cha, cha sound. Charlie. Ah, it's so much fun. Can you make the Charlie face? Give it a try. Charlie face. Oh, let's learn another sound. The next one is D. D. And the D sound goes da, 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 da. Does that sound kind of familiar to you? Da, da. You want to make that sound a lot when you say dada. Dada. Your dada's name starts with a D. Dada. Because the D goes da, da. You know, it starts with a da, da, a D sound, da, da. And that's a dog. Look at this dog. Isn't this dog adorable? He is super happy. Let's make a dog face. I'm going to close the eyes and have a really big smile to look like this dog. Close your eyes and smile really big. There's our doggy face. He's so happy. Doggy face. Duh, duh is a D sound. Duh, dog and dada. And let's make our doggy face again. Good job. That's such a good job. Let's learn another sound. This is going to be an E. E. And the E can also make a eh sound. E, eh, e, e, e. You want to make the sound with me? E, 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 e. That's fun. So you can make a E sound like an eagle. Look at this eagle. Oh, he looks stern. He's like staring right at you. Let's do an eagle face. You staring like an eagle? And this eagle has crazy hair. Let's make crazy hair. Crazy hair! And go stern look. That's the eagle face. Good eagle face. So the E can make an E sound like eagle, but it also can go E and eh. And eh, we can say elephant. Elephant. Look at this elephant. Oh my goodness. He's also happy. Elephants have really big ears and they have a really long nose called a trunk. And this elephant is really happy and he's got his nose up. So go, ha, happy with a big nose. Big, big nose. There's our elephant face. You could use your whole arm to make the trunk, but your Titi Niki can't. But you could put your whole arm out there and smile and make an elephant. face, elephant face. Oh, those are so much fun. Let's take a look at the next sound. You ready for the next sound? The next sound is an F. An F. And the F goes, it makes this sound. That's a fun sound. Can you make that sound? The F goes. So the F, we can make the F sound and say the word fish. Fishes. Start with an F. Fish. Check out this fish. Oh, we gotta make the fish face. Look at how funny that face is. Okay, you got big eyes and he's got round mouth. Where's our fish face? Can you make a fish face with your Titi Niki? Fish, fish, fish. Fishes. Fish faces are fun. Are you having fun making faces with your Titi Niki? I hope so. Let's learn another sound. Another sound is a G. G. That's a great sound. G. G makes lots of words. And the G can be a J, a G, or a G. So like G, or we could do a G, 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 G. Like a gorilla. A gorilla makes a G sound. It comes from a G. Gorilla. Look at this gorilla. He's so cute. We can also make it a G sound, just like a gorilla, but it would be grandma. Grandma. Here's your grandma. Isn't she pretty? Grandma. We can also make it a J sound. G's can also go J, J. So they can go G and J. G, G, G. J, J, J. G like gorilla. G like grandma. And J, 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 J. What can we see that makes a word that starts with a G that goes J? How about giraffe? Giraffe. Look at this giraffe. He's so cute. I love giraffes. They have really, really long necks. Giraffes are so cool. Do you want to make this giraffe face with me? This giraffe has got his mouth out like, and that's the giraffe face, and he's got one ear sticking out. Can you make giraffe face? And giraffes have really long tongues, like really, they're like super long. Giraffe face. Because they have long tongues. Isn't that fun? You know what else has a G in the name? It sounds like a J though. G and J. J, J, J. Jijo. That's your bird. Your bird's name is Jijo. Starts with a G and it's a J, J sound. Jijo. Isn't that cool? You learn so much with letters. Now what's neat is the G, you could put an H behind it, just like you put the H behind a C. When you put an H behind a C, it goes cha-cha, like Charlie. Now if you put an H here in front, behind the G, if you put an H behind the G, you know what it does? It does nothing. It's just there, but it's silent. You can't hear the H when it's next to a G, like the word ghost. Whoa, here's a spooky ghost. That's the best ghost ever. So G can go G or J. Oh, that's cool. Like giraffes and grandma and ghosts. Let's take a look at our next sound. Let's hear out the next sound. The next sound is a H. H. Can you say H? H. H. Good job. And the H makes this sound. Like you're just blowing air out. H. And you know what starts with a sound? Hippo. A hippo starts with an H. Look at this hippo. Hippopotamuses have really big mouths and really tiny ears. Really tiny. Look at those tiny little ears on top. They're like, shmoop. And meanwhile, his mouth is like, whoa. It's a huge mouth. And he's making a funny face. Let's make the hippo face. It's like, he's showing off his bottom teeth. I don't even know if I'm doing it. That's the hippo face. Make hippo face with me. Hippo face. You can give yourself little ears too. Little ears and a big mouth. Hippo face. And that's the H that goes. I have one more animal to show you that starts with an H, but I had to wait till nighttime because this animal is nocturnal. That means they only come out at night, and it's my pet. Her starts with an H. She's a hedgehog. Look at this cute little hedgehog. Here's my hedgehog. She's a very sweet little animal. She only likes to come out at night. Yeah. And she has spikes. See? And she's very easy to pet one way, but if you pet her the other way, it hurts because she's spiky. And her absolute favorite thing to do, is to crawl into my shirt. That's where she feels safe. That's where she likes to be. So we're going to let her burrow in. Her name is Sappy, and she's a hedgehog. Okay, you ready? Watch this little trick. Watch this right here. In she goes. She'd much rather be in my shirt, hiding, than to be anywhere else. Isn't that right, Sappy? So Sappy is a hedgehog. A hedgehog. Let's do another sound. This sound is an I. I. Can you make the I sound? I. If you put the H and the I together, it's hi. That's what you do to say hi to someone. Hi. And the I sound, I. Can you say I? I. The I makes two noises. You can either say eh, eh. So I can go eh, or the I can go e. So eh and e. I, eh, e. I, e. I, e. I, e. I, e. So you want to use an I for a word, you could say iguana, iguana. It starts with an I. You have iguanas all over the place where you live. Now look at this iguana. He's got a really big throat. Can you make yourself a big throat? I'm going to do it on this side. Big throat. And then he's got spikes on his head. Iguana face. Iguana face. Do the iguana face. Big chin and big spikes. Iguana face. Oh, this is why sounds are so much fun. Oh, you can also say like iguana for the I, or inchworm. Inchworm. This is an inchworm. An inchworm is only an inch long, which is really small. It's like smaller than a hippo's ear. It's really small. It's an inch. And the inchworm is a worm that crawls along like this. Beep, beep, me. And look at his face. He's just chill. He's got his cute little eyes and his nose. And I don't even think you can see a mouth on there. It's just eyes and nose. So let's make the inchworm face. You ready? Inchworm face. No, he really has a mouth. We just see the nose and the eyes. Inchworm face. Oh, I love making sounds with you. Oh, we're having fun. Let's check out the next sound. The next sound is a J sound. J. J, it looks like an I, but it's got a swoop at the end. J. And the J sound sounds like J, 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 and J, 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 J. J. Can you say J? J. Good job. Can you say J? J. Good job, J. And here's one of your Titi Niki's favorite animals. It's a jaguar. It's a big cat with little dots all over him. And the jaguar starts with a J. And look at this jaguar's face. He's making such a funny face. I love it. Let's make this jaguar face. Do it with me. Are you making jaguar face? I like that face. Jaguar face. Oh, it's such a fun one. Oh, let's do jaguar face one more time. Ready? Jaguar. That's so much fun. Oh, let's learn another sound. The next sound is the K. K. K, K, K. And the sound it makes is K, K. We learned that sound before because C can also sound like K, K. And the K always sounds like K, K. K, 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 K. K, 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 K. K, K. Let's learn an animal. It starts with the K. The K, K. Kangaroo. Kangaroos. Kangaroos hop all over the place. Look, this kangaroo. He's playing the air guitar. Air guitar. Can you do air guitar with your Titi? Air guitar. And this kangaroo is making a kissy face. Look at his kissy face. Can you make a kissy face with me? He's just really leaning in for that kiss, like Make a kissy face. You know, I'll start with a k sound. It's kiss. Kiss. Like a kangaroo. You can blow kisses. That's a fun one. Oh, let's learn the new one. This next one is an L. 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 And it makes the sound. So you could say la 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 la, or li 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 li, or lu 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 lu, or lo 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 lo. So many noises start with la 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 la. Oh, what can we look at as an animal that starts with an L with a la sound? La la. How about a llama? A llama starts with two L's. Llama. Llama, llama. La la la. L is a la la. La 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 llama. Llama. Look at this llama. This llama thinks something is hilarious. He looks like he's laughing. He's like, ha ha ha, right in the middle of a laugh. Can you make llama face? Like he's laughing. Ah, ha, ha, ha. Llama face. Ah. Oh, that's a funny face. I like the llama face.
Llama face.
You know what L starts with the L, the L sound? La. Lucas. Lucas starts with an L. Lucas. Lucas. Oh, my boys, Charlie and Lucas, you two are so cute. Lucas. And you know what? Your Titi Niki is in love with her Charlie and Lucas. That's right. I love you. I'm going to blow you a kangaroo kiss. Mwah! Let's do another one. All right, the next one is an M. M. That's the noise it makes. You put your lips together and hum. Mama. Does that sound familiar? We're going to do mama. 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 Your mama's name starts with an M. M. Mama. Mama. She's beautiful. Your mama's beautiful. Let's look at an animal that starts with a M. Monkey. Check out this monkey. Oh, he's just looking at you like he wants a banana. He kind of looks hungry, like, give me that banana. Do you want to make a monkey face with me? Monkey face. He really wants that banana. I love making monkey face. So is it M? M makes the sound like mama and monkey. Yeah. Oh, let's learn another. We're gonna learn the N. N. And the N makes a N sound. N. And it's the N. You know what starts with that N sound? Can you make the sound with me? Good job. N. You know it starts with an N, a sound. Nikki. That's me. I'm your Titi. Nikki. My name starts with an N. Nikki. And we're going to do an animal that starts with an N. Narwhal. This is an animal that lives in water. And it's got a really, really big horn coming out of its nose. Look at this horn. It's huge. One giant horn. So a narwhal face is just a big horn coming out of your head. Like, boo, big horn. Can you make a narwhal face? Big horn coming out of your head. Boom. Narwhal face. Narwhal. Kind of like an elephant, but it's a big hard stick coming out. Narwhal face. You all are so good at this. Can you say the N sound again? Let me hear you. Good job. Let's learn another sound. This sound is O. You make your face in the shape of it. O. Oh. And you can say oh, and the O makes a O sound. It can also make a ah sound. O or ah. Ah. Oh. O and ah. Ah and O. These are the sounds that an O makes. O and ah. O and ah. So if you want to make an ah sound with the O, let's find an animal that starts with an ah sound. It starts with an O, but it makes the ah sound, like an otter. An otter is an animal that lives in water. Look at this otter. He looks like he sees a fish he wants to eat. He's like, what's that fish? When you make the otter fish, you gotta go like, where's that fish? I see a fish. That's our otter. Let's do the otter face. Otter face. Otter faces are fun. Another animal that starts with an O, but this time instead of an ah sound, it starts with an O sound. So O, O. This is an okapi. Okapi. Can you say okapi? Okapi. Okapis are really neat looking. Look, they look like part deer and part horse and part zebra. You're going to learn about a zebra in a little bit, but it looks like part horse and part deer and part zebra. But you know they aren't related to any of those. Look at this okapi. Check out that tongue of his. You see how long it is? And he's trying to go like lick all the way up his nose. Can you lick up your nose? I can't. Do you remember what else has a really, really long tongue? The giraffe. The giraffe has a long tongue, and the okapi have a long tongue. They are actually related. They're in the same family. So an okapi, let's make that okapi face. He's trying to lick his tongue. Try to lick your tongue. Sorry, he's trying to lick his nose. That okapi's trying to lick his nose. So use your tongue and try to lick your nose. And that's the okapi face. Can you reach your nose with your tongue? I can't. No, but it's fun to try. Can you do it? Can you reach your nose with your tongue? Okapi face. That was a good try, and if you did it, congratulations. Good try. Oh, you guys are so good at this. Yes, you are. All right, let's learn another sound. That's the P sound. P. If you put two P's together, that's what you do in the bathroom. You go pee pee. P. And a P sound makes this. It's this sound. Pa, pa, pa. Can you say pa, 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 pa? Let me hear it. Pa, pa. Good job. You already say this because the pa, pa is the same sound you use when you say papa, papa. That's right. Papa starts with a P. Papa. And you've got not just your papa, who you can also call Dada. You also have your Papa John. Papa John is your granddad. Yeah, he's your daddy's dad. He's your grandfather. So you can call him Papa John. Now let's find an animal that starts with a P that makes a pa pa sound. And I've picked out for us the pa 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 pig. Look at this pig. Oh, now those are some big ears. And then his nose looks like it's sticking up. Let's make a pig face. Here's my pig face. Pig face. Can you make a pig face? Pig face. Can you see my nose holes like the pig's nose holes? Pig face. Well, I'm going to do it again. Pig face. Pig face. That's funny. Pigs are so cute. They're really cute, and you can have them as a pet. But mostly they like to roll around in the mud so they can get really dirty. And that's the P, the P sound. You want to learn another sound? I want to know another sound. We can make another sound with using the P. If we put an H next to the P, it changes it completely. Just like C and H is Charlie, the P and H changes too. Instead of sounding like a P, it sounds like a F, just like the F. Like a photo. You can take a photo with your phone and you got a photo. A photo starts with PH. Photo. I like that one. All right, there's another one We're going to learn a word and a letter, and it's a fun letter. It's a Q. Q. Q, Q. Q, Q, Q. Q, Q, Q. Q is our fun letter. Q, and you know, and the noise it makes is a K. Just like the C can go K, and just like the K always goes K, the Q also goes Qua, but it's more of a Qua at the end. Qua, 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 Qua. Can you go Qua, 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 Qua? Ducks go quack, 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 quack. And the animal, this animal is so cute. This animal is called a quokka. 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 And look, it's like a tiny little teddy bear. It's so cute. They only live in Australia, which is probably good because they're so cute. I want to pick them up all the time. Look at this quokka. Oh, it's so cute. And he's got his little teeth out. Oh, I think it's his bottom teeth. And he's smiling. Can you smile and stick your bottom teeth out at the same time like the quokka? Quokka face. Quokka face. Your Titi Niki's not very good at it, but I bet you are. Let's make a quokka face again. Oh, let's learn another one. The next one is an R. R. Can you say R? R. R. As a sound it makes like a tiger or a jaguar that growls. R. R. That's what the R sounds like. R is a R. 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 Can you say R? Can you say R? R. And R. That's so good. You did so good. Oh, I'm so impressed by you all. So the R sounds like R, R. And I'm going to show you an animal that starts with an R because it makes a R, 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 raccoon. Raccoon. A raccoon starts with an R. Raccoon. Raccoon. Look at this raccoon. He's sticking his tongue out. And he's got a mask over his face. Do you see the black eyes? So we're going to make a mask and stick our tongues out. That's a raccoon face. Can you make a raccoon face with me? We got our mask and our tongue out. Raccoon face. Raccoon faces. Raccoons are so cute. Let's learn another. The next one we're going to learn is S. S. Can you say S? S. So you remember the C can go K, but it could also go S, like cicada. Well, the S always goes S. We're going to have a fun animal for S. That's the skunk. The skunk. And the skunk has a really smelly smell. If you see a skunk, you might smell really bad things. Ew, a skunky smells. But they're awfully cute. Look at how cute this skunk is. And he's got a white little nudge down his forehead. And he's just smiling. Hey, I'm a skunk. Look at me, I'm a skunk. He's so cute. All the way down his back is white with a black stripe. And then his face is black with a white stripe. That's pretty cool, isn't it? That's a skunk. Skunk. We want to make skunk face again? Skunk face. Good job. S is special because you can also put an H after it, and it changes it completely. So the CH was ch, ch, and the PH was f, f. Now the SH goes sh, sh, like you're telling someone to be quiet. Shh, 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 shh. And there's the animal that starts with a sh, sh, sh sound, the SH sound. It's another animal from the water. It's a sh, 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 shark. Shark. Sharks are neat because they always look like they're smiling. They look like the happiest thing in the whole ocean. They're always just smiling. Can you make a shark face? It's just a big smile. Good shark face. Big smile. Shark face. And you can even give them a fin because they have a fin. It's on their back. But we can make a fin on our heads and make a big smile. That's shark face. Shark face. Oh, I'm loving this. All right, let's do a new sound. New sound is a T. T. Like ta ta. Ta ta ta. You've heard a ta ta sound before, haven't you? I know you have. Because the T sound, ta ta. T is ta ta. That's what starts Titi. I'm your Titi Niki, and Titi starts with a T. Ta 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 ta. Titi. Just like that. And my favorite animal of all starts with a T. A ta ta ta. A tiger. Tigers are my favorite animal. Do you have a favorite animal? Can you tell me what your favorite animal is? That's so exciting. Animals are so fun. The tiger, well, this tiger is licking itself. And he's also got stripes. Look at all the stripes on his face. And he has stripes all over his body. And that's a tiger. Starts with a T. So let's make tiger face. Tiger faces have all the stripes. So give yourself stripes. And you want to give yourself a big lick? Because tigers like to lick themselves. A tiger face. Can you make that tiger face? Yay, tiger face. Oh, tigers or TT all start with a T, which is a ta-ta sound. Do you see why I like listening to learning the letters and hearing the sounds? They're so much fun. They are, Lucas and Charlie. I hope you're enjoying this because I am having an absolute blast. Yes, I am. C is another special letter. Just like the C that can have an H for a ch sound, and a G that can have an H and doesn't do anything. And a P can have an H and it goes from P to F. And the S and T can both have H's. The S is like sh, and the T becomes f. T can be a f if it has a H after it. And a good animal that starts with a th sound is a bird called the thrush. Check out this thrush. It's a bird. You know where we find these birds? Right here where I live. It's not making that funny of a face, but look, it's got dots all over its chest. And it's chirping. It goes, chirp, chirp, chirp. Can you chirp like a thrush? Chirp, 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 chirp. He's calling all his other bird thrush friends. The thrush goes, chirp, 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 chirp. Let me hear you make a thrush sound. Chirp, chirp. Chirp, 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 chirp. Good job. You're so good at that. All right, another sound is the U. 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 And then you can make a U sound or an sound. So U and U and and U, and U, U. It's all the U. We can make a U sound that sounds like a like an umbrella. You hold the umbrella over your head to keep the rain away. Umbrella, umbrella. That's the U. And the U can also sound like a U, just like a unicorn fish. Look at this unicorn fish. We're seeing a lot of animals with big noses, aren't we? This unicorn fish has a nose that comes out like this. Boop! And the unicorn fish lives in the ocean with the shark and the narwhal. Unicorn fish. So we're going to make the unicorn fish face. All you got to do is make a fish face and put your nose up, make it really long. That's a unicorn fish face. Unicorn fish. Unicorn fishes are fun. The next thing we're going to learn is a V. V. And the V sounds like a car passing by. V. You know, when cars pass by and you can hear them go vroom, vroom, V. When I picked a special animal that starts with a V for Check out this animal. This is a velociraptor. Velociraptor. That's a big word. Velociraptor. A velociraptor is a dinosaur. And you know what? Dinosaurs, they don't live anymore. They lived a long, long time ago. But the velociraptor is a really cool one. It would attack and it would come in packs like dogs. And it was bigger than a man. Aren't you glad they don't exist anymore? Look at this velociraptor. They would stare you down with their eyes, and their necks could turn really, really far. Just like a bird's neck can turn really far. So here's the velociraptor face. Are you ready? You gotta turn your neck really far. Velociraptor. Velociraptor. And you gotta give mean eyes like you're hunting. Velociraptor. Are you doing the velociraptor face with me? Mean eyes and turn your neck. That's a velociraptor. Oh, and that's from the letter V. V, which makes a VV sound. Oh, we're having so much fun. The next letter we're going to learn is W. W. We learned the U, it makes a and a oo sound, like umbrella and unicorn fish. Well, the W looks like two U's put together. So we call it double, which means two, and U's. So it's two U's together. So it looks like, I can't do it. It looks like two U's together. W. W. It's its own letter, W. The W makes a whoop, 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 whoop sound. Can you say whoop, 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 whoa, whoop, whoop, whoop. We got some whoop, whoop, whoop sounds like the whoop, whoop, whoop. Wolf. Wolf starts with the W. Woof, wolf. Now the wolf is your Papa John's favorite animal. He likes a good wolf. They're pretty and they all stick together in what they call a pack, and it's like one big family. Wolf starts with a W. But wolves are pretty. They don't have funny faces. So another animal that starts with a W, a w sound, is a walrus. A walrus. And walruses have really big tusks. So let's make a walrus face. These are the big tufts. They come out from their mouth. Walrus. Ooh, walrus. Or if you have something you stick in there, that's a walrus face. Your Titi Niki is so funny. I'm going to make a walrus face, but you do it with your fingers. Walrus face. I can't say a walrus and make a walrus face or my tusks would fall out. Walrus. So you gotta do it with your finger. Walrus face or walrus. Such big tusks. Those are really big horns that come out of his mouth. That's a walrus. You all are doing so good. You know how good you're doing. You are smart, smart boys. Let's do another one. And that one is going to be a fun one, because that's going to be a X. X. If you are looking at a treasure map, X marks the spot. X. But X makes a really funny noise. X goes like this. Za. The X makes a Z noise. Isn't that funny? It is, because you're going to find out we have another letter that makes a Z word. A Z sound. A Z sound. But the X makes a Z sound. Just like the Z. Xanthus beard. A xanthus beard is a type of bird. He's got a big orange belly and a gray neck, and then he's got a really black face that looks like a beard. Your daddy has a beard. It's all of that hair that covers his face. It's called a beard. And this bird has black hair all over his face. It looks like a beard. And its name is the xanthus beard. And it's a bird. It's xanthus beard. So the X makes a Z sound. X is a Z. 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 Can you make the X noise? Z. Can you say X? X. Good job. Let's do X, X. And now Z. Z. Good job. You did so good. That's the xanthus beard bird. Oh, we only have a few more left, and you'll have gone through the entire alphabet. The next one is a Y. Y. And that sounds like a yeah. Yeah. Like a yeah. The Y goes yeah. Can you say Y? Y. Y. And it goes yeah. Can you say yeah? Let me hear you say yeah. Yeah. Good job. Yeah. I have a special animal that starts with a Y. It's a yeah. Yak. Yak is like a big hairy cow, and it's got really big horns. A yak. Yeah, yak. Yak. All right, we got to make this yak face, because he looks very serious in the face, but it's hard to take him serious with those big old horns. So give that serious yak some serious horns. I get it. You guys are better than me. There's our yak. Yak. We're yaks. Yaks with horns. Yaks. The big cow with horns. Oh, you all are doing so good. All right, we have one more sound to go. Just one more sound. That's the Z. Z. Can you say Z? Z. And now the Z sound sounds like this. Z. Isn't that funny? It's exactly like the X sound. Z, 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 z. So you can make a Z sound with an X, but that doesn't happen very much. Or you can make a Z sound with a Z, and that happens way more often. So a Z, Z sound, there's an animal that starts with a Z, Z. Do you know what that is? It looks like the back half of an okapi, and it's the Z, 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 zebra. The zebra. Look at the zebra. It's like a horse, but it has black and white stripes. Yeah, it actually is black with white stripes. And you can tell because of the color of its nose. If the nose is black, it means its whole body is black and he has white stripes. So now you know zebras are black with white stripes. And the zebras have stripes all over their body. And this zebra looks serious too. Let's do a serious zebra face. I'm a horse with stripes. I'm a zebra. Zebra face. Zebras have to be serious because they're always being hunted by this big cat called a lion. So zebras are always serious and they're always on the watch for anything dangerous. So zebras are serious. Zebra face. Did you have a favorite face? My favorite face was the okapi because he tried to touch his nose with his tongue. Well, you can watch this video over and over and make silly faces and silly sounds and learn all about the alphabet. I'm going to sing the alphabet song again because I like the alphabet song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good job! Oh, you guys are so smart. You're brilliant. And your Titi Niki loves you so much. And I hope you had fun making funny sounds and funny faces with your Titi Niki. I hope to see you all soon. The next time I'll see you is at the beach, which starts with a B for beach. I'll see you at the beach, and you keep learning your funny sounds and making your funny faces. Bye. I love you, boys. Mwah.